This is one of the ice packs that I've been using for this sprained wrist that I've had for 10 days. Without this ice pack, I don't think I would be anywhere near where I am. I've got more mobility, more range of motion. Right now it's doing really good. Earlier it was really bad. Originally 10 days ago when I hit the ground, this whole thing took the impact. Thumb was really, it's still very sore. It's very tender in here. That's about the rotation of the thumb. Lots of pain all the way into here, by the elbow, in the wrist, and up to the shoulder. So having this FlexiKold ice pack, it's a lifesaver because you want to do four things. You want to do rest, ice, compression, and elevate. You want to rest your body when you're injured. You want to ice it to lower the swelling. You want to do compression, maybe an ACE bandage or some type of a brace for compression, and you want to do elevation. You want to raise your injured hand or whatever's injured above heart level to make the blood have to pump upward and stop the swelling. So you can use an ice pack. Everybody's got ice packs out there, gel packs. This is really nice. This gets cold. It gets so cold, that's why I have this towel here, because you're going to want to put a towel between you and the ice pack so that you don't freeze burn your skin. And then after it starts to warm up a little bit, cool down a little bit, whatever you want, or cool up a little bit, whatever you want to call it, then you can allow this to stay on the skin. So, an ice pack like this, you're saying, who the heck needs a big ice pack like this? You do, because this is an all-purpose ice pack. This, they sell different sizes. I have a whole selection of their ice packs. I love them. This is perfect for the wrist. And not only is this perfect for the wrist, but it's perfect for the hand. And it's so cold. Whew! But it's wonderful because it does what it's supposed to do and it heals you. And a lot of people go to the store and they buy those cheapy ice packs and they're junk. FlexiKold has helped me out. As I said, normally I would be putting the towel between me. Put the towel between you and the ice pack. The towel will get cold, but it will not freeze your hand off and damage the skin. This is ice cold freezing. This is so cold. So you can see I have the ability, depending on which ice pack I buy from them, to put my whole hand in there. I can rest my hand on there if I've injured a finger. Whoo, is that cold. Nice thing about this, this is where I have my injury, so I'm raising my elbow right now. I'm able to put the wrist over there. I couldn't do this. I don't want to say when I did this 10 days ago. I couldn't do this 2 days ago. Whoo. So I'm able to position it. That's where there's a lot of injury on the bottom of the wrist. There's a lot of injury on the top of the wrist. There's injury over here. There's injury over in here, right in between the fingers, and it goes right up to these areas. So it's kind of what happened is I ended up, my hand and everything twisted. I'm lucky nothing was broken. Whoa, is that cold? And that's what you want. You want, that's a little less sensitive, so it feels absolutely incredible. I'm able to get that on the wrist, but I would not do this without a cloth. I'm just doing this so you can see what this is capable of. And the nice thing is, because they sell different packs, as I told you, I kind of twisted the wrist from the, oh, that's cold. I kind of twisted the hand and the wrist. The hand took the impact. The wrist kind of twisted one way. The arm twisted the other. And so nothing broken, very lucky for me. No cars hit me. I'm very lucky. Who is that freezing cold? This is what you need. This is exactly what you need. You go and you put this thing over here and you're able to get it. Oh, God, that hurts. I'm able to put this right on the area that's injured, and I'm able to get the cold that I need. And this is a bath, like a hand washing towel. You want to try to use a really thin kitchen dishwashing towel So instead of having this big thick terry cloth, you want a thinner. This is fine, this will work. I'm feeling the cold in the elbow right now, and it is doing exactly what it needs. But you might want to try different things, get a thinner towel, get a thicker towel. When it starts to not be as cold, just go direct skin. You see, for me, because this is such an easy pack to use, I'm able to put it on the hand, on the wrist, on the forearm, on the elbow. If you had an injury on your leg, you could drape this over the leg. I know some people, they want to have something strapped on. If you need to do that, go buy some Velcro, go buy a strap, go use a belt or something. With this, you don't need to mess with any of that stuff. You just get it where, hold on, you get it where you need to get it. Oh! Now it's a little more bearable. And yeah, it's going to sweat a little bit. That's why you want the towel. It's going to sweat because you've got a warm room and a cold ice pack. So it's obviously it's going to sweat. No big deal. It's a great product. The price is incredible. It's your health. Never cut back on your health. Don't be cheap when it comes to medical stuff. I will say that I ended up in the ER, and they gave me a couple reusable ice packs and a couple throwaway ice packs. Never used them. Ow! Came home, started doing deep massage with my thumb and using a percussive massager and using the ice packs. And everybody was saying, you need to go back to the doctor, you need to get pain pills, you've got to do this, you got to go to a specialist. And I said, they've already looked at it, it's not broken. All I need to do right now is heal. And the way you heal is you take time, because the body takes time. A week, 6 weeks, who knows, 6 months. You let everything heal. If you need to go to the doctor, make sure everything's okay. Go out and buy your own ice packs unless insurance is going to pick them up. This FlexiKold thing is absolutely wonderful. You can even turn it this way. Ow! That wasn't smart. What was I thinking? It's a great ice pack. I've used this for my lower back. I used it when I was riding my bicycle. Sore feet, piriformis, sciatica. Yeah, I know I'm a mess. But with something like this, I never thought I'd ever have another. I had a broken wrist one time, but I never thought I'd ever need something like this. So glad I had it in the freezer. It's a wonderful product. I love my ice packs. I like quality products. FlexiKold. Get it? Cold. Kind of like gold cold. FlexiKold. Made by NatureCure. NatureCure FlexiKold. I'll leave an affiliate link in the video description. Oh God, I can feel it right now. My arm is really cold, and it's just starting, it almost feels like it's relaxing now. So I'm going to shut off the video. I'm going to stop talking. Wonderful product. I totally recommend it. It's got some weight to it. There's no doubt. If you are somebody who's in your 70s or 80s and you're worried about picking something up that's got a little weight to it, then buy one of their lighter packs. This is probably, I don't even know, a couple pounds, a pound and a half, 2 pounds. It's beefy, it's tough, it's good. It's a good quality product. My arm is freezing right now. Oh, does that feel good on the hand. And thank you for watching.